let's replace the sway bar link on this 2018 Chevy Trax. It is the same procedure on the Buick Encore. Here is the new one. I'll include the link in the comment section below for those parts and tools. Let's start by spraying some WD-40 on the bolt. We're gonna use 18mm to start to break the bolt free. As you guys see here, the stud is spinning, so you're gonna have to use a T40 Torx bit like this to finish it. I'm gonna use, that's a much better option. 18mm wrench, a T40 once again, and we're going to jam the wrench against the strut and use the T40 to break it free. There it is. It will be the same procedure, the same way for the bottom part. It will be a bit tricky, but it's the same thing. Use the 18mm wrench to hold the nut in place, and I'm gonna use my electric ratchet to speed up the process here. Once again, a T40 Torx bit. Make sure you save those bolts, because when you buy the new one from GM, it doesn't come with the new nut, so you're gonna have to reuse it. And they are side specific. The driver and the passenger side are different part numbers. Once again, using my Milwaukee ratchet to speed up the process. It's a straightforward job. It shouldn't take you, it take me literally about 10 minutes to do this. Make sure everything's tight, and it's the same procedure for the driver's side. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.